Welcome back, fellow coders. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of JavaScript data types. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding data types is crucial for writing efficient and bug-free code. So, grab your favorite beverage, let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. In JavaScript, we have several data types to work with. The most common ones are strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, objects, null, and undefined. Each serves a unique purpose in storing and manipulating data within our programs. First up, we have strings. These are sequences of characters enclosed in either single or double quotes. They are perfect for storing text like names, messages, or any other textual data. Next, we have numbers. JavaScript supports both integers and floating-point numbers, allowing us to perform mathematical operations with ease. Just remember, be mindful of precision when dealing with floating-point numbers. Now, let's talk about booleans. Booleans represent true or false values. They are essential for controlling the flow of our programs through conditional statements like if-else and while loops. Arrays are like containers that hold a collection of items. These items can be of any data type, making arrays incredibly versatile. Think of them as lists where you can store multiple pieces of data under a single variable name. Objects, on the other hand, are more complex data structures. They consist of key-value pairs, allowing us to organize related data in a meaningful way. Objects are widely used in JavaScript for representing entities and modeling real-world scenarios. Now, you might be wondering about null and undefined. Null represents the intentional absence of any value, while undefined indicates a variable that has been declared but not assigned a value yet. Understanding these two can help avoid unexpected errors in our code. And there you have it, folks. A crash course on JavaScript data types. Remember, mastering data types is like having a superpower in the world of coding. So, go ahead, experiment, and have fun exploring the endless possibilities. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy coding, and until next time, keep on scripting.